Hey everybody, today I'm going to replace this broken indicator lens on a left side mirror of a Sprinter 2014. I've just bought, you can find a new one on eBay. Sorry. You gotta be careful with this because to remove that you have to disassemble a whole mirror, pop the mirror without breaking it. All right, that was easy. There are two wires if you have a heated mirrors lens, so that's off. So this one should be easy. All right, because there is one screw over here. We use T20. So we have 4 screws. That comes off. This is a new one. Okay, and this lens, you should just pop out. Yep, it does. All right, that's broken. So you saw what I did. We just removed that. We chuck old one. We install a globe into the new one. All right. This, I don't think this does anything. And how does it go? What the hell? Okay, goes like that. Make sure it sits nicely. All right. No, goes like that. Just install in reverse. Okay, just make sure it sits nicely everywhere. Yep. Oh, this one just broke. So do not over tighten those screws. Is 2 screws there, one here and one there. But when you assemble it, you just make sure all those edges line up. So, all right. And we put connectors back on. Come on. All right, and we align it up and we just press it in evenly. So we'll just click. All right, that's it. You'll know when it's in. There we go. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos. Bye.